What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Today is probably the biggest, if not one of the top 3 biggest days for my YouTubing channel. So what we're going to do today is we are going to hang out with Jake Stu, the famous Clapped Out Cummins, and Bug BMX in Utah. We are going, the first time that I go to actually drive my truck, it's snowing like, it's not even really snowing. It's like slushy mess, just yucky. So I'm going to get some forged wheels today. Jake Stu is hooking it up with a great deal on some, actually, let's just wait. I'll let you guys see after we get them put on. Some incredible forged wheels, some brand new tires. He delivered them all the way up from Boise, Idaho. I will drop the link down to the shop down in the description, as well as these boys' channels or Instagram, so that you can check them out as well. But I'm so excited. For those of you who have been following my channel for the previous year since I've started, there's really just a few people who have inspired me to start a channel, and Bug BMX, Kyler, is one of those people. He just has so much fun. He does things that nobody else does, and it really just made me want to throw on a camera, as well as Stradman, Goon Squad, just really some of my top inspirations. So we are just about to hop on the freeway, and let's go get some wheels and tires on my truck. I had the 22x14s that you guys saw with the 35s, but you can't really have, and maybe this is going to sound a little egotistical here, but you can't really have a $90,000 truck and $1,200 wheels. So we had to get some forged wheels, some new tires. They're going to be put on right now, so let's go ahead and head over to the shop. Look, Mater's sitting right out here, and the Volkswagen Bug with the hood stack is right off to the left. These are the wheels that my, or this is the trailer that my wheels came in on last night. Look at just how big that truck is. Man, what a good looking truck we got right there. Woo!
Hello?
Yo, yo, what up?
Good. 10-15 minutes.
Okay, see you in a minute.
All right, see you, buddy.
Bye. Let me go show you guys Bug's truck. So I'm 6'2", and so is his bed. I think I could climb inside of this thing. Makes my truck look so small. It makes my truck look miniature. So I do one in front of his truck, and then all that ice on my truck. It's no wonder that our collision assist and adaptive cruise control wasn't working. What's up, dude?
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Chilling.
Nice to meet you.
You too, buddy. Yeah, they're a little fucking dirty from the snow, but
Wheel delivery, what up, bro?
that'll happen.
Yeah, it will. Well, thanks for bringing them all the way up.
You're welcome, bro.
Oh man, I'm excited about this.
It's gonna look good.
A lot better than those.
Oh yeah. Yeah, they're gonna look gnarly, dude.
I've never had polished wheels.
Really?
Never.
I'm excited to see what it looks like. Look at that one.
Little sneak peek.
That one.
We can get my Stancy Nancy back.
I think I need to purposely shit in the bed for the video. I need to eat shit in the bed for the video.
Shit hit the ground and all that snow come off. Cool friends are definitely a blessing in life. If you don't have some, get some. All right, down in the comments, let me know what would you take. My Ford, Jake's Cummins, Marco's Cummins, or Bug's Cummins. Right now, drop down in the comments, what one would you pick?
Box on the back or what?
Yeah, probably 2 jail 8s under the seat. What do you think? Do you think I made the right decision by going with polished, or should I have gone black like originally planned? Let me know what you think down below.
Dude, when you asked me, he was like, "You got any other wheels?" I'm like, "Oh, I hope you don't buy something else because these KG1s are gonna look sweet." I'm glad you went with these.
Yeah, but you know how it is. If I just like bought the first thing I saw every time,
True.
I buy new stuff. Oh yeah.
He does.
You do.
I buy new shit every week.
And then regrets it.
done. 24 by 14 KG1 Forged wheels on 35-inch tires by 13.5 wide. Oh man, I still don't really know how to feel about it. I'm honestly torn. I feel like I should have gone black because I just had everything paint matched. I took off all the chrome, all the brushed metal, but we've got our Stancy Nancy back, so I'm super excited about that part of it. I don't know. Again, let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I think it ties in really well. I think the whole truck being the Stormtrooper look and then the polished wheels, I think it just really tops this build off. But again, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Look at how beautiful those are. Oh my goodness. Stancy Nancy. And then those little mud flaps to keep Utah Highway Patrol off of our back. Alrighty, so I want to know what you guys think now that we've got it pulled out in the sun. Did we make the right decision with the polished wheels? I think so. I think it looks great. I think it looks good. Today's also been a super eventful day. We've got all these beautiful trucks out here. Huge shout out to Jake for getting me these wheels. Not only just getting them for me, hooking it up on a deal with them. That kind of stuff has been happening all day here. I love it. I love it. But thanks again, man, for hooking it up, and also for bringing them all the way from Boise. That's like, what, 6-7 hour drive?
6 hours.
That was a big drive in the middle of the night to get these wheels up here. Thanks to Kyler Bug BMX for letting me use his shop to put them on to keep us out of this beautiful Utah weather. And now we can go make some more cinematics. Thank you guys for clicking on another video today brought to you by me here on the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. We are gonna be bringing more videos now that I don't have hideous wheels and tires on the truck. The next video, I think we need to do a towing video with the 10-speed. What do you guys think? Go ahead and let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.